Welcome to Wonderslate. Buy smart eBooks from the best publishers. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell.
Quizzes. The living world. Question number 1. In a taxonomic hierarchy, the number of common characters will increase as we go from Option A. Class to order. Option B. Species to kingdom. Option C. Genus to species. Option D. Kingdom to species. The correct answer is Option D. Kingdom to species. Question number 2. Which one of the following is not a correct statement? Option A. Herbarium houses dried, pressed and preserved plant specimens. Option B. Botanical gardens have collection of living plants for reference. Option C. A museum has collection of photographs of plants and animals. Option D. Key is a taxonomic aid for identification of specimens. The correct answer is Option C. A museum has collection of photographs of plants and animals. Question number 3. Select the correctly written scientific name of mango which was first described by Carolus Linnaeus. Option A. Mangifera indica Car. Linn. Option B. Mangifera indica Linn. Option C. Mangifera indica. Option D. Mangifera indica. The correct answer is Option B. Mangifera indica Linn. Question number 4. One of the following is not a wildlife conservation project. Option A. Project Hangul. Option B. Project Tiger. Option C. Project Dodo. Option D. Project Indian Bustard. The correct answer is Option C. Project Dodo. Question number 5. In which of the following both pairs have correct combination? Option A. In situ conservation, tissue culture. Ex situ conservation, sacred groves. Option B. In situ conservation, national park. Ex situ conservation, botanical garden. Option C. In situ conservation, cryopreservation. Ex situ conservation, wildlife sanctuary. Option D. In situ conservation, seed bank. Ex situ conservation, national park. The correct answer is Option B. In situ conservation, national park. Ex situ conservation, botanical garden. Question number 6. Identify the correct sequence of taxonomical categories. Option A. Species, genus, order, phylum. Option B. Species, phylum, order, kingdom. Option C. Genus, species, order, kingdom. Option D. Species, order, genus, phylum. The correct answer is Option A. Species, genus, order, phylum. Question number 7. Which taxonomic term may be suggested for any rank in the classification? Option A. Class. Option B. Order. Option C. Species. Option D. Taxon. The correct answer is Option D. Taxon. Question number 8. The contrasting characteristics generally in a pair used for identification of animals in taxonomic key are referred to as Option A. Lead. Option B. Couplet. Option C. Doublet. Option D. Alternate. The correct answer is Option B. Couplet. Question number 9. Which of the following national parks is home to the famous musk deer or hangul? Option A. The Chigam National Park, Jammu and Kashmir. Option B. Keibul-Lamjao National Park, Manipur. Option C. Bandhavgarh National Park, Madhya Pradesh. Option D. Eagle Nest Wildlife Sanctuary, Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is Option A. The Chigam National Park, Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 10. Which of the following is against the rules of ICBN? Option A. Handwritten scientific names should be underlined. Option B. Every species should have a generic name and a specific epithet. Option C. Scientific names are in Latin and should be italicized. Option D. Generic and specific names should be written starting with small letters. The correct answer is Option D. Generic and specific names should be written starting with small letters. Question number 11. Arrange the following in the ascending order of Linnaean hierarchy. Option A. Kingdom, order, species, genus, class, family, phylum. Option B. Kingdom, family, genus, species, class, phylum, order. Option C. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Option D. Species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. The correct answer is Option C. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Question number 12. Match the items given in column I with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. Column I. Column 2. A. Herbarium. I. It is a place having a collection of preserved plants and animals. B. Key. 2. A list that enumerates methodically all the species found in an area with brief description aiding identification. C. Museum. 3 is a place where dried and pressed plant specimens. D. Catalog. 4. A booklet containing a list of characters and their alternates which are helpful in identification of various tags. Option A. 243I. Option B. 32I4. Option C. I432. Option D. 34I2. The correct answer is Option D. 34I2. Question number 13. The correct sequence of taxonomic hierarchy is Option A. Genus, family, class, order, phylum, kingdom, species. Option B. Species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. Option C. Species, family, genus, kingdom, order, class, phylum. Option D. Species, genus, family, class, order, phylum, kingdom. The correct answer is Option B. Species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. Question number 14. In the system of classification, which one of the following is not a category? Option A. Kingdom. Option B. Series. Option C. Angiospermae. Option D. Genus. The correct answer is Option B. Series. Question number 15. Growth in living things occur due to synthesis of Option A. Protoplasmic substances. Option B. Cytoplasmic substances. Option C. Apoplasmic substances. Option D. Both A and C. The correct answer is Option D. Both A and C. Question number 16. Reproduction is the characteristic feature of living organisms. Which of the following cannot reproduce? Option A. Amoeba and paramecium. Option B. Fungi and filamentous algae. Option C. Humans and aves. Option D. Mules and worker bees. The correct answer is Option D. Mules and worker bees. Question number 17. The living organisms can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for Option A. Responsiveness to touch. Option B. Interaction with the environment and progressive evolution. Option C. Reproduction. Option D. Growth and movement. The correct answer is Option A. Responsiveness to touch. Question number 18. Two plants can be conclusively said to belong to the same species if they Option A. Can reproduce freely with each other and form seeds. Option B. Have more than 90% similar genes. Option C. Look similar and possess identical secondary metabolites. Option D. Have same number of chromosomes. The correct answer is Option A. Can reproduce freely with each other and form seeds. Question number 19. Nicotiana sylvestris flowers only during long days and Tabacum flowers only during short days. If raised in the laboratory under different photoperiods, they can be induced to flower at the same time and can be cross-fertilized to produce self-fertile offspring. What is the best reason for considering N. sylvestris and N. tabacum to be separate species? Option A. They are physiologically distinct. Option B. They are morphologically distinct. Option C. They cannot interbreed in nature. Option D. They are reproductively distinct. The correct answer is Option C. They cannot interbreed in nature. Question number 20. Biological organization starts with Option A. Submicroscopic molecular level. Option B. Cellular level. Option C. Organismic level. Option D. Atomic level. The correct answer is Option A. Submicroscopic molecular level. Question number 21. Which of the following is not correct? Option A. Biological organization starts with submicroscopic molecular level. Option B. 25 elements are essential for animals and 17 for plants. Option C. 98% mass of every living organism is composed of C, H, N2, O2, P and S. Option D. 98% mass of every living organism consists of 3 elements including potassium. The correct answer is Option D. 98% mass of every living organism consists of 3 elements including potassium. Question number 22. Which of the following level of organization studied under biochemistry? Option A. Submicroscopic molecular level. Option B. Subcellular organelle level. Option C. Organisms system level. Option D. Population and community level. The correct answer is Option B. Subcellular organelle level. Question number 23. Organization is the arrangement of smaller components into larger components and the larger one into more larger component in a hierarchy. From which level biological organization starts? Option A. Submicroscopic molecular level. Option B. Cellular level. Option C. Organelles level. Option D. Organ system level. The correct answer is Option A. Submicroscopic molecular level. Question number 24. About 98% of the mass of every living organism is composed of just 6 elements including carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. Option A. Phosphorus and sulfur. Option B. Sulfur and magnesium. Option C. Magnesium and sodium. Option D. Calcium and phosphorus. The correct answer is Option A. Phosphorus and sulfur. Question number 25. Homeostasis is Option A. Tendency to change with change in environment. Option B. Tendency to resist change. Option C. Disturbance in regulatory control. Option D. Plants and animal extracts used in homeopathy. The correct answer is Option B. Tendency to resist change. Question number 26. Metabolic reactions can be demonstrated outside the body in cell-free systems. An isolated metabolic reaction outside the body of an organism, performed in a test tube is Option A. Living thing. Option B. Non-living thing. Option C. Either living nor non-living thing but a living reaction. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Option C. Either living nor non-living thing but a living reaction. Question number 27. Which one is a constant characteristic of living organisms? Option A. Adaptation. Option B. Metabolism. Option C. Homeostasis. Option D. Reproduction. The correct answer is Option B. Metabolism. Question number 28. The sum total of all the chemical reactions occurring in our body is called Option A. Anabolism. Option B. Catabolism. Option C. Metabolism. Option D. Carboxylation. The correct answer is Option C. Metabolism. Question number 29. What is common between parrot, platypus and kangaroo? Option A. Homeothermy. Option B. Toothless jaws. Option C. Functional post-anal tail. Option D. Ovoparity. The correct answer is Option A. Homeothermy. Question number 30. The term new systematics was introduced by Option A. Linnaeus. Option B. John Ray. Option C. Julian Huxley. Option D. Georges Cuvier. The correct answer is Option C. Julian Huxley. Question number 31. Phenetic classification of organisms is based on Option A. Observable characteristics of existing organisms. Option B. The ancestral lineage of existing organism. Option C. Dendrogram based on DNA characteristics. Option D. Sexual characteristics. The correct answer is Option A. Observable characteristics of existing organisms. Question number 32. Ordines anomaly of Bentham and Hooker includes Option A. Seed plants showing abnormal forms of growth and development. Option B. Plants represented only in fossil state. Option C. Plants described in the literature but which Bentham and Hooker did not see in original. Option D. A few orders, which could not be placed satisfactorily in the classification. The correct answer is Option D. A few orders, which could not be placed satisfactorily in the classification. Question number 33. Who proposed phylogenetic system of classification? Option A. George Bentham. Option B. J.D. Hooker. Option C. Engler and Prunthal. Option D. Carolus Linnaeus. The correct answer is Option C. Engler and Prunthal. Question number 34. Classification given by Bentham and Hooker is Option A. Artificial. Option B. Natural. Option C. Phylogenetic. Option D. Numerical. The correct answer is Option B. Natural. Question number 35. System of classification used by Linnaeus was Option A. Natural system. Option B. Artificial system. Option C. Phylogenetic system. Option D. Asexual system. The correct answer is Option B. Artificial system. Question number 36. What is the name of the book written by Aristotle? Option A. Systema Naturae. Option B. Historia Naturae. Option C. Historia Animalium. Option D. Philosophiae Zoologicae. The correct answer is Option C. Historia Animalium. Question number 37. ICBN stands for Option A. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Option B. International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Option C. International Code of Viral Nomenclature. Option D. International Code of Zoo Nomenclature. The correct answer is Option B. International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Question number 38. ICBN stands for Option A. Indian Congress of Biological Names. Option B. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Option C. International Congress of Biological Names. Option D. Indian Code of Botanical Nomenclature. The correct answer is Option B. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.